Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we're going to be talking about our hair thickening combination. This combination comes with Katha Powder and Brahmi Powder. With regular use, these powders are great for helping to promote hair thickening and growth. So let's jump right into it and show you how to mix everything up. First off, you will need a non-metallic bowl. We used glass. Then you are going to want to measure out both the Katha and Brahmi powders. We recommend about 4 tablespoons of each, or about 50-50. However, this doesn't have to be exact. You can add more or less of the particular powder depending on your preference. Measurements are based upon your hair length, and full measurements will be provided in the description box. We will be using about half a pack of each of Katha and Brahmi powders for this mixture. After you have poured them into the bowl, you will need to add in your liquid. Slowly add in the liquid and stir. You will want it to have a batter-like consistency, so stirring is key. It will take several minutes of stirring to have the desired texture. While we're stirring, let's talk about how great Katha and Brahmi powders are for your hair. Katha powder helps with strengthening your hair and helps to boost volume and thickness. Brahmi helps to encourage hair growth and helps to thicken roots. Results are from multiple uses. After stirring for several minutes, the mask should be smooth. You will need to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Separate your hair into sections and apply, working from the roots down to the ends. Ensure that each strand is covered with a hair thickening mask. Leave on your hair for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse with warm water and a mild shampoo. Start from the ends, working up to the roots. Repeat twice weekly for best results. You can also add the hair thickening combo directly into your henna too. Using a non-metallic bowl, you can pour in your desired amount of henna. Measurements will be provided in the description box. After you've added the henna, you'll need to measure out 2 tablespoons of the Katha powder and 2 tablespoons of the Brahmi powder and add them to the henna. Stir them together before adding in the liquid. Then mix and apply the henna like normal. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.